Yo, what's going on, guys? So here, we're finally ice fishing. I just wanted to make sure I was catching fish, and literally my first two drops, I just got 2 bass. So, just using a little frostbite jig with a little Lunker Hunt 1-inch grub. And yeah, both of those bass just came up and whacked it. I got my sonar right here. Oh, I had one. Just dropped back down. Yep. Oh, he kissed it. Come on. Come on. Yep. Got him, guys. What is it? Oh, another nice bass. Papa! Bass! Guys, I think there's like literally a school of them down there. Because you know, in the winter times, the smallies school up in a lot of big schools like that. Yep. Nice little smallie. There we go. Oh, gee. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Now, dropping back down there. Looks like there's probably 2 more down there. Oh, missed him. Dude, they are down there. Come on. Yep. Got him. Oh, this might be a good one. Oh, I just... right there at the hole. Oh, that was a good one. Dang it. Yeah, they're all just biting that right there, guys. Oh, dang it, that was a good one. Yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, that was a good one. Dang it. Okay. Yeah. Wish I had my underwater camera. Yeah, I think there's one on there. Come on. Yep. Got him. Oh, come on. Jesus. Lost him again. Oh my God, bro. Come on. Oh, why is this doing to me? Oh, God dang it. That's a big one. God. Ah, jeez. There we go. God dang it. Ah, son of a gun. Yeah. Come on. Alright guys, looks like they might have moved on, so I'll turn the camera back on once I get another one. Yo guys, what's up? I'm back. Just got one. Yeah. Oh, nice bass, nice bass, nice bass. Nice bass, come on. Oh, he spit it right at the hole. He spit it right at the hole.
He knew where he was going. He's like, I ain't going up there.
Oh, dang it. Guys, it's been about 3 minutes since I turned the camera off, and I think a new school just came in. I think I need to tighten my drag up a little bit. I think they're getting too much line.
Just using the lures.
Yeah, I'm just using a little grub, but I think Papa has worms.
But it needs to work, right? You can probably drop it down.
Not just like that, no.
You put something on it?
Yeah.
Put sugar on it.
Start with... Yeah, I'll give you one of the ones I'm using. Alright guys, I'll be right back. What's up guys, I'm back. Just got this nice little smallie. Sorry I forgot to turn the camera on, but yeah. Nice little smallie. You're gonna go back. See you, buddy. Ah, jeez, I just flung water from my phone. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There we go. All right. Oh, there we go. Again, showing that little frostbite jig, lunker hunt. Grub. There we go. Oh, might have one coming up. Alright guys, they might have moved on again, so yeah, I'll turn the camera back on once I get another one.